Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
How are you, sir?
I'm very well today. How are you?
I'm good. We would like to get to know about you, sir.
Ma'am, I'm a life insurance professional. I head the company of Scray Life Insurance, and I've been associated with the industry for good 15-16 years.
Right.
And over the period of time working for insurance, especially working with a lot of people working in insurance, it's become a sort of passion, something we've started enjoying over the period of time. And Pakistan as a nation is slightly short of understanding and access to the financial services that they deserve.
Absolutely.
So at Scray Life, myself, my team, we are working on these lines to help Pakistani people get access to better insurance products and better understanding of insurance products as well.
That's wonderful. Sir, we warmly welcome you to the CEO Summit today.
Thank you very much.
And this theme this year is leadership and turning around Pakistan. How do you see these two, terms coming into action in Pakistan with the current state of situation that's there?
Ma'am, turnaround Pakistan, I think we've been working on these lines for the past decade or so, and I think Pakistan is very well geared for a turnaround, especially if we look at the demographics, the type of talent and the type of opportunities we have in the locals. But I think the second point, as you mentioned, leadership, I think there's the lack of leadership or clarity in vision and direction has posed some challenges alongside some geographic and international challenges as well. I see that opportunities are there, but as we are together today, I think leadership has to play a very strong role, not only at the company's level, but the country and the government level as well. So as leaders in Pakistan, we are hopeful. We have a positive view, but I think there's a lot that needs to be done, not only at the policy level, at the leadership level as well.
Sir, pertaining to the theme, Turn Around Pakistan, what do you think is the role of women and how it can impact the financial construct of the country and how it can impact globally?
I think women are already playing a very important role in the foundations of this nation. But if you talk specifically about being part of a workforce or being part of working, I think it's inclusivity is a global phenomenon at the moment, and having a diverse audience. I think more than half the percentage population is women.
Yes.
So excluding them from a workforce and not being able to tap opportunities, that would be a drawback for a country. So I think women are already doing very well. The acceptability is increasing. Companies have inclusivity policies. So one thing is just saying so, but one thing is putting it into practicality and having the environment where anybody can groom, like men, women, equal opportunities. So yeah, I think it's a very important role, and companies, the nation, the acceptability needs to increase.
Absolutely, sir. So coming to the end of it, I would like to ask you one last question, and that's, I think, very important. Your views on that would be really important. Reshaping the future, given the fact that we have so many corporates and giants and industries and CEOs, and they've gathered here. We are discussing turnaround Pakistan particularly. How can we, from such forum, reshape the future for our upcoming generation? That is the future of this country and worldwide.
See, the future of any country would be, and especially Pakistan, we say, is in the youth of Pakistan, and that is the, I think, major portion of population which is very young, which is very vibrant. So not only it becomes a responsibility, because you need to channelize their energies, you give them the platform to groom. Otherwise, these days, everywhere you're hearing people are, there's a talent drainage and people are leaving. So as leadership, as companies, if we really want to reshape Pakistan, I think the opportunity lies with developing and preparing the youth, not just the 10-year and 15-year education systems, but skill development, fast-track programs. I think the leadership has to play a key role to cover that gap that might be created by a lot of people looking at other countries or perceived stable countries. Yeah.
Right,
so I think leadership and youth, they both have to play a very
So thank you so much for your valuable input, and we warmly welcome you to the CEO.
Thank you very much, ma'am.